Friends, happy Friday. It's your friend in flowers, Lisa Mason Ziegler. And friends, do we have a show for you today? We have got such a haul of cool flowers and Nigella. Oh my gosh, if you're not growing all 5 or 6 of the Nigellas. Anyway, hey friends, welcome. And I'm just giving you your personal invitation to join me at 12 noon Eastern time today to get the lowdown on all these beautiful cool flowers with one warm. You know, we have those early bird sunnies that I've been starting for weeks and weeks and weeks, and actually it's been months, right? So join me inside my app for the live shop and show. That show is all about featuring what we're harvesting on the farm and then the tools, seeds, and supplies that I actually use to do it. And so it's a lot of fun. It's from 12 noon Eastern time to 1 o'clock. It is a ton of fun. You can watch it on social media. However, I will tell you that you can't enter for the giveaway and you can't communicate with all the other people watching, which is so much fun. You got to get my phone app. It's free. You can just go, you can either comment app here, APP, and it'll DM you the link to get it, or just go to your phone's app store. Friends, I just can't get enough of these. I'll talk about these today. Get the app, download it, get your lunch, get a beverage, and join us at 12 noon Eastern time. And friends, it's just a lot of fun. And we do this every Friday. It was born out of wanting to show the harvests so you see what they actually look like, right? And getting that feel of that. And cool flowers are rolling in like crazy here. So today I give away something every show. And today I am giving away, which has become the favorite of everybody, a $25 store credit to one lucky live viewer. And so you have to be there live to enter, and then we pull it at the end of the show. And friends, I'm just looking at so much, the straw flowers to die for. I mean, we have more than what you see behind me here, because all of this, and I will just say this, tomorrow is our once a year in-person workshop here on my farm, and they're going to be making bouquets, and all of these flowers are going to be consumed by those folks tomorrow. So we're just going to have tons of fun. That's just one of many. That's kind of one of the wrap-ups of the day, is making bouquets. And so, friends, join us inside the app for the live shopping show at 12 noon Eastern time. And here's the thing, once you get the app, you can go back and watch the replay. You can go back and watch the replay of last July and see what I'm harvesting, right? So there's a lot of benefits to have the app. And so check it out. Join me. I'm going to go grab a little bite to eat and do a little something to my head here. And hope to see you there. Can't wait to share cool flowers with you. Ciao.